Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, struggling to create content for your blog or website? The frustration, anger, and confusion that come with content creation can be overwhelming. After all, writing quality articles takes time, and how can you be sure what your audience really wants? But here's the good news. SEOWriting.ai is here to revolutionize the content creation process. This powerful AI tool is designed to help you write articles, blog posts, and various types of content with ease. Simply enter your topic and let the AI work its magic. But don't be fooled. This isn't just another AI churning out meaningless drivel. SEOWriting.ai produces original, humanized, high-quality writing packed with keywords optimized for SEO, helping your content rank higher in search results. And stick around until the end of this video for an incredible bonus. I'll show you how you can generate up to 100 articles to your WordPress blog or website. So now let's dive in and see how SEOWriting.ai works. So your first step is going to the website SEOWriting.ai. As you can see on the screen, you can get started for free. You don't even have to enter your credit card information to try this out. So once you're signed in, you can see the different types of writing that you can create. So if I scroll down, you can create all different types of writing. You can see blog posts, product roundups, product reviews, simple editor, lots of different things you can use, but I'm going to choose this one, and this is one-click blog post. So I'm going to open this link, and the best part about this is you really only need your main keyword to be able to create a blog. So I'm going to enter the keyword, which is YouTube content creators, and from here I can select a title if I had a particular one in mind, but I'm just going to choose this option, and I'm going to generate a title. All right, so I think that sounds good. Of course, I can change this if I want, or change the main keyword and adjust this. Now, as I scroll down, I have so many different options for customizing the article. You can see that there's a number of different languages. The article size is here, so I can write a long article or a short one. Tone of voice, everything from friendly down to inspirational. I guess I'll just say professional for this one. Other options as well. You can see point of view. You can customize which point of view you want. I'll just keep it, I'll say first person singular. Again, you can select the target country. And then from here, what you can do is select your own AI model. So you can see that there's lots of different options in terms of models that you can select. So for example, I use ChatGPT quite a bit, but I think for writing, Claude probably works a little bit better. And I'm going to select this one, Claude 3.5. Sonnet. So I should be good. Now, when I scroll down, I have the option to select this text. So what text level do I want this to be? And I'm going to say 8th and 9th grade. But of course, if I want this to be a little more difficult or a little easier, I have the option to select that. Now, again, here is where you can really customize things. So from here, details to include, I can select this option and add some specific details to include in this article. This is where it can be really helpful if I want to mention certain tips or certain websites or that sort of thing. In the Media Hub, you have the option to use AI to create different images. So in this case, I'm going to say 4 different images. I'm going to set my style. I'm just going to say photo. And I also have the option to set the photo size. Now this part is really cool because from here, I can add YouTube videos to this article which is being generated. So in this case, I'm going to say 5 YouTube videos, which will be in the body of my text. Of course, I can further customize that if I would like. Now, here is where SEO comes in. If you have specific keywords that you would like to include in your blog, you can write them in this text box here. Now, if you don't know the keywords or if you don't want to enter them, just go ahead and select this button here, and the natural language processing keywords show up. Here are some of the words which will be incorporated. Now, again, if you have a particular style of article that you would like to create, a particular structure that you want to create, you can enter this information right over here. So if I do a question, there's a fact, a quotation, that sort of thing. So if I wanted to, I could write my own hook. And again, a lot of different options on here in terms of how you want your article to look. And then check this out. If you select any of these social platforms, you have the option to create marketing materials that will help you promote and share this article. So again, so many awesome options that are on here. There's even an option where you can publish this specifically to a WordPress site. But I've done enough but I've explained this enough, so now let me show you what this is going to look like. I'm going to select Run, and in just a few minutes, this article will be ready. All right, here we go. This is the article that was created from really just that one keyword, and that was YouTube content creators. So you can see the image which was generated. Now I have a few different options. If I don't like this image, I can select this button, and that will allow me to regenerate this image directly on this preview page. Now, if I really don't like this image, I want to add one of my own photos, or I want to change any of the text, there is an option where I can edit this. So everything is customizable. Now, when I scroll down, you can see at the bottom, it does include citations. And this is great because it will allow you to go in and fact check where you got that information from. Of course, if you want to turn those citations off once you're ready to share, you do have the option to turn those on and off. So now let's scroll down a little bit. Here is one of those videos that I requested. If you remember, I said I was going to add 5 different YouTube videos inside the body of this article. It just took that one and edited it here. If I scroll down, here are quotes that are that's kind of stand out. Another image which was generated. You know, a little bit busy with stuff on the wall. This room is absolute chaos, but you know, the image here doesn't look too bad. Again, I don't have to use this. Like I said, sometimes these generated images are hit or miss. Again, there's a table here. So this is a really good, high quality article with table views, links, words in bold that are some really important keywords. Lots of really great options for content that you can create extremely easy with SEOWriting.ai. All right, I've got this huge article. It's got embedded photos. It's got embedded videos. You can see at the top, 3,261 words. So a few things on here. You can see the meta tags that you can use if you are putting this on a blog or a website right over here. Now, in terms of syndication, this is where we can take this copy, which was written specifically for those social sites. So this is our Twitter post. That's our LinkedIn post. This is our newsletter, and it all relates directly to this article that I was able to generate. Now, again, I mentioned before this ability to edit. So here is the checker. It's going to give us an overall score. It will show us the keywords that are included. You can see that I have 3 out of 10 keywords. So what I can do is go into this area where it says brief. You can see some of the additional keywords, and I can try to work them into my copy, and that will then change the checker that is over here to the left. Now, another thing on here, if you don't want to spend a lot of time writing, but you see like this section where I would like this section to be developed a little bit better, there is this option. If you just put your cursor at the end of that sentence and click that option, it is going to give you additional copy that you can see directly on your screen. And inside that copy, it was able to work in some more of those keywords. And now my score is up to 80%. So many different ways that you can go to really make sure that you're creating high quality content that's going to rank in SEO. All right, so it's going to work the same way with a lot of these other writing types. But what I want to share with you at the end of this video is right over here, and this is the bulk article generation feature. So this is amazing because it is going to create those articles in bulk. So what I just shared with you, I'm going to replicate that multiple times in seconds using SEOWriting.ai. So my main keyword is going to be YouTube creators. And when I select generate, it's now going to give me some associated keywords with that YouTube creators word, some associated keywords that you can see on your screen. Next, what I'll do is generate a title based on not only my main topic, but also each one of those individual keywords. They are now populating on my screen as we speak. And then finally, again, I'm going to generate those natural language processing keywords that is going to help inform what my article is going to be about. So after this populates, I can scroll to the bottom and have almost all of those same options that I previously had. The difference is, rather than creating just one article, I'm going to create a number of different articles in bulk. So I'm going to select run and continue, and then momentarily 11 of those articles focused on YouTube creators are going to be generated, and we'll take a look at them. Now, because there are so many articles, this did take a few minutes, but I got an email showing me that my content generation is complete. So if I scroll down, I can see all the articles that were generated as well as the total amount of words. And there's a few different ways that I can view these. So I could start by just clicking the button, and that takes me directly to SEOWriting.ai, where I can read this article, and I have all the same options to edit or to copy that I previously showed you. Now, this one did not have any AI-generated images or videos. If I was doing this, I would probably want to make sure that I did have that, so then I could just easily copy the text, download the HTML, or I could select the publish button and I could publish this directly to my WordPress site. Now, that's just one of the articles that were generated. If I go and I select Builder, I can go and select several other articles. Right? Now, if I go back to Builder, if I just want to download the HTML, I can select any articles from this menu and then just choose the action to download the HTML, or if I really don't want them, I could just select delete. So I'm hoping that this video has been a helpful way for you to learn about SEOWriting.ai. I really think that this is an awesome resource. So go ahead, check it out. You can sign up for free at SEOWriting.ai. And if you want to purchase a plan, please use the coupon code EdTech25, where you'll receive a nice discount. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment area below. Thanks again, and have a great day.